find it very interesting.
Find you attractive.
I find it interesting. I find it interesting មានន័យថាខ្ញុំគិតថាវាគួរឲ្យចាប់អារម្មណ៍យើងប្រើពាក្យថា find ត្រង់នេះដើម្បីមានន័យថាគិតថាមានអារម្មណ៍ថាស្វែងយល់ថាឬចាត់ទុកថាឧទាហរណ៍ I find it hard to believe that he could finish a whole season of a new TV series in just one day. I find it hard to believe that he could finish a whole season of a new TV series in just one day. មានន័យថាខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ថាវាពិបាកនឹងជឿថាគាត់អាចបញ្ចប់មួយរដូវកាលទាំងមូលនៃរឿងភាគទូរទស្សន៍ថ្មីក្នុងរយៈពេលត្រឹមតែមួយថ្ងៃឧទាហរណ៍មួយទៀត I actually find some TikTok videos so educational. I actually find some TikTok videos so educational មានន័យថាតាមពិតទៅខ្ញុំគិតថាឬខ្ញុំស្វែងយល់ថាវីដេអូ TikTok ខ្លះៗគឺមានគំនិតអប់រំណាស់
You know what? I find her attractive.
I don't even find her attractive.
Women find that attractive.
I don't find her attractive. Solid.
You find her attractive?
I find her very attractive.
Because nobody finds her attractive.
You find her attractive?
Yeah.
Her.
Do you find her attractive?
You'll find it very interesting.
What is that?
I think you'll find it interesting.
Don't you find it interesting?
People find it interesting.
You may find it interesting.
I find it very interesting.
I find you interesting.
I think you'll find it interesting.
I find it very interesting.
I find it really interesting.
I find it interesting.
I find it extremely interesting.
Interesting.
I find that interesting.
I find it interesting.